Are you experiencing unexplained malfunctions on your assembly? Often the cause can be ionic contaminants, invisible residues that, when exposed to moisture, can result in significant failure risks and damage. But how can you determine if your assembly is affected? A proven and fast method for detecting ionic contamination is the ROSE test. This test dissolves the ions present on the assembly into an extraction liquid and detects them via a conductivity sensor. The total ion content is then converted into a sodium chloride equivalent, allowing for a quantitative assessment of the contamination on the board. The ROSE test not only provides a standard compliant evaluation of ionic contamination in accordance with IPCTM Standard 650, but also serves as a first decision-making tool for further analyses. By integrating the ROSE test into your quality control, you can establish and continuously monitor internal cleanliness standards. Regular sample testing will help you maintain consistent production quality and identify deviations early. The result for you: quick initial assessment, lower costs, and more reliable production. ZESTRON supports you in quickly and efficiently assessing the ionic contamination of your assemblies using the ROSE test. Contact us if you have any questions about the ROSE test.